right, good morning guys. Really quick, I'm going to do a short tutorial on adding code to your header section. I have my dogs here on the floor behind me and they are chewing on their rawhides and it's really loud and annoying, so just kind of disregard that weird noise in the background. Okay, so there's going to be two versions here. My two sites, so on one of them I'm using a Genesis theme. And on my other one, I'm not. I'm on like a regular theme. So I'm going to start with Genesis. Whenever you're asked to add a piece of HTML code to the header section of your site, like right here, install the following snippet of Java code on every page right before the closing head tag. While that sounds really complicated, it's actually really easy. So you'll copy this piece of code right here, and for a Genesis theme, you're going to come over here and hover over Genesis and click on Theme Settings, and then you are going to scroll down to this header and footer script. And so for this one, you would actually, if you have other stuff here, and by the way, this applies for pretty much anything. If you're going to do influencer programs, some of the affiliate programs require you to add code. Even Pinterest, when you're validating your site, a lot of different things are going to ask you to add a piece of code. So this is exactly where you'll do it. So if you already have stuff in there, just kind of go down to the last thing. You can see my MailerLite one is right here. And then you'll just tab down and you'll paste your code right there, right? So I'm actually going to erase that since I already have it once. But it's that simple. You just paste it in there, hit Save Changes, and then it'll take effect. So if you're not using a Genesis theme, what you can do over here in Settings is where it'll end up being. But you can install a plugin because different themes have different abilities. Some of them already have a footer scripts built into it, but if you don't see any place to add header and footer script code, then you can simply just download or install this plugin right here. It's just called Insert Headers and Footers. And when you install that, it's going to show up right here under Settings. And so you'll come over here and you'll click on it, and it's right there. And so on this, I don't have it installed on this site because I actually have this site shut down right now, but same thing. You would just tap down to the next line, paste your MailerLite code or whatever code it is, and hit Save, and there you go. And it is that simple. Again, some themes already have a built-in footer and header script section. The majority of them do not. But if you are using Genesis, it won't be in Settings. It'll just be under the Genesis theme settings section all the way down at the bottom. So that's it. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer it.